indigo turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh with me before the morning comes. I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I wanna see you faded, faded black, black as night, black as gold. I wanna see the sun blotted out from the sky. I wanna see you faded, 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 faded black. Yeah.
Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to go back to the year 1966. Man, I didn't even shave back then. And we're going to listen to a Rolling Stone song called Paint It Black. And this is a classic, the great Charlie Watts. He played a Gretsch set, and I have a Gretsch set. And I'm sure listening to the recording, it was probably a Gretsch broadcaster because, and that's what I play. It's one of the thinnest drum shells in the industry. It's a 3-ply, and it just really rings. So I love the sound of his drums on this, even back in 1966. So it's just a lot of fun to play, put a lot of energy into it. So let's go have some fun. Okay, so I'm going to go over the 2 main beats of the song and a couple of the breaks that he uses. So he starts off on the small tom, 8th notes, and I'll do it slow. Okay, so now when he goes over the hi-hat, he does the Charlie Watts thing where when he plays the snare, he very rarely played it along with the right hand. It's usually by itself. So real slow, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, so let me do one of the breaks. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Okay, let me do the second break. I'll do it slow.